Vietnam, steep slope, one excavator climbing up. Engine dies, brakes gone, and gravity takes over. It crashes down the embankment, straight into a ravine. The machine? Completely wrecked. Your trailer's on fire. Do you run or fight? Panic or courage? In that moment, instinct decides everything. Tractors weren't built for speed, especially on cement. No grip, no stopping power. Push it too hard and you're just riding a metal sled with zero control. Beginners, take notes. This is how you learn the hard way. Bro, the tractor just split in half. Like, clean broke? Nobody saw that coming.
The tractor suddenly split into two parts, leaving the onlooker in utter shock.
Building these machines takes real skill and serious cash. But for these racers, every penny's worth it. Pure adrenaline, unforgettable moments, and danger at every turn.
That Rafael will fly up, brother. If it goes there, it will, brother. I tied a very strong rope on the accelerator and the experience, it'll stop at India.
Sidhu Muswala's 5911 went head-to-head with another tractor in Tochan Up. Pure tug-of-war chaos, engines roaring, crowd going wild, energy was electric.
Today, not. The rope must have broken, friend, it must have. Request the driver to listen to Gagan Barian, sit on the seat and work. Brother, Anand Faji Sahib's experience.
One tractor sinks, another comes to help, both trapped now. Sometimes the hero needs saving too. A mini crane finally pulled them free.
Almost out. Yeah.
Machine stuck, wheels spinning uselessly. Climbing out? Not happening. Time to call in the rescue squad. Modern tractors aren't just machines anymore, they're engineering masterpieces. At this tractor show, enthusiasts gathered, energy buzzing everywhere, pure passion on display, and you could feel it. Hours of wrestling with mud, but persistence won. Machines out, sitting on dry ground finally.
रहे हैं आप लोग।
My 9,563, Mahindra 475, and 485 with a loaded trailer. Hit trouble, one stuck deep. Had to unload everything. 4 hours of non-stop digging, pulling, problem solving. Exhausting, but they got it done.
ट्रॉली को पलटी कर लिया तो ट्रैक्टर फिर भी पलटी करने के बाद भी खाली ट्रॉली भी निकालेंगे। नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देखेंगे ट्रैक्टर को, खाली ट्रॉली के 2 ट्रैक्टर। आप बने रहिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब।
Never thought I'd see someone actually split their tractor clean in half, but here we are. T150, old Soviet beast, still crushing it today. Mud doesn't slow it down, thing just rolls through like it owns the place. Buckle up, tractors at full throttle, trucks exploding, axles snapping like twigs, torque battles ending in total carnage. This isn't a competition, it's controlled chaos, destruction dialed to maximum. Wheels in deep mud? Bad combo. Tractor found that out the hard way. Sunk and stuck. One tractor stuck, right? Another tries playing hero, gets stuck too. Now you need a third one just to untangle this mess. Classic.